Hi, my name is Imran and I'm speaking from the Kokoro offices in Vienna, Austria. Kokoro is a tool that measures the emotional states of teams and organizations in real time through transformation and helps them to optimize the transformation and also work out what adjustments they need to do while they are on the journey. After a lot of great feedback from the online workshops we have done over the last 6 to 8 weeks, we have also been asked to hold a workshop around collective unity. So how can you use employee experience to create collective unity in such times like this? I'd like to invite you to join us on the 29th of June between 2:30 and 4 p.m. SET, and we will share with you what we have found in all our research. There are 3 things I want to share with you before I go, and that is this session firstly is for any leader looking to understand how to create that collective unity and why today they are responsible for doing so. Secondly, once you get your head around the concept of collective unity and what it is, it will be really, really good to understand what robust and dynamic structures help you create that environment, and if you can create that environment, what experiences do you need to create for your employees for this collective unity to happen? And that is my third and final point, and we're going to be looking in depth at employee experience. It's a difficult word because we all know an experience cannot be forced. If you force experiences, it is not an experience. And what we do know is that it's a social process, and we will be sharing with you the social elements that create experiences. And so whether you're looking at transformation, whether you're looking to create more platforms of participation, whether you're looking to create workplace communities, or just generally have a really, really good reflection process to see if your spaces, environments are helping your people to deliver, to be who they need to be, then join us in this workshop, and we will share with you all our research and all our science, so you can just get on with creating great environments where collective unity is just normal.